It is an honor to present to you today on the topic of the artificial intelligence in customer service, potential and limitations. AI is transforming industries at the unprecedented pace, particularly in customer service, where it offers the automation, efficiency, and personalized interactions. Technology, chatbots, radio assistants, and machine learning have enabled companies provide all-day support, streamline process, and reduce the operational costs. Research by the Huang and the rest highlights AI's ability to enhance the service space, consistency, and overall the customer's experience. However, despite those advantages, AI adoptions vary significantly across the industries, with sectors such as technology, finance, and retail leading the way, while manufacturing and professional service lag behind. So let's say the problem statement: while AI is revolutionizing customer service, it also presents several challenges. One major issue is the trade-off between the efficiency and the emotional intelligence. AI itself, as the handling simple, requires quickly, but often lacks empathy and nuanced understanding required for the complex interactions. Additionally, AI's limitations in the handling multi-dimensional text can frustrate customers when they require personalized support. Another pressing concern is the data privacy and trust. Customers are increasingly skeptical about how their data used, which affects their willingness to engage with the AI-driven service. Finally, AI's emotional recognition capabilities remain insufficient, making it difficult to provide truly human-like interactions. Let me introduction or research questions. Given those challenges, our study seeks to explore the following key questions. So the number one question is, how does the AI capability influence customer satisfaction in the service interactions? Number two is, how do trusted factors such as the data privacy, transparency impact the customer's trust in the AI-driven customer's service system? Number three is, to what extent does the customer's expectations moderate the relationship between the AI usage and the customer's satisfactions? Number four is, how does the AI's inability to handle emotional interactions affect the customer satisfactions and trust? Number five is, how does customers trust mediate the relationship between the AI-driven customer service and the customer loyalty? Number six is, how do customer satisfactions and trust contribute to the customer's loyalty in AI-enabled customer service? Number seven is, how does the customer loyalty influenced by the AI usage impact the overall business performance? So let's see our research objectives. Based on the research questions, the research objectives are as follows: to examine the impact of the AI capabilities on the customer satisfactions in the service interactions. Number two is to analyze how trusted factors such as data privacy and transparency influence the customer's trust in the AI-driven customer service systems. Number three is to investigate the moderating roles of the customer expectations in the relationship between the AI usage and the customer satisfactions. Number four is to assess the impact of the AI's limitations, particularly in the handle emotional interactions on the customer's satisfactions and trust. Number five is to evaluate the moderating role of the customer's trust in the relationship between the AI-driven customer service and the customer loyalty. Number six is to determine how the customer's satisfactions and trust contribute to the customer loyalty in AI-enabled customer service. Last one is to explore the effect of the customer loyalty on the overall business performance as influenced by the AI usage.
Now, I will introduce the significance of the study. At the first is the theoretical significance. There are totally three. The first one is AI can promoting the development of service theory. As you know, The traditional service series usually passive response, but AI can be from passive response to active prediction. AI uses data analysis and machine learning to predict customer demand through the big data sharing to improve the customer problem-solving ability. And then is promoting the development of data-driven theory. AI can combine the qualitative and quantitative research to develop data-based behavioral prediction models and decision optimization algorithms to improve the science and accuracy of data-driven theories. The last one is promoting the development of customer satisfaction theory. As you know, AI can prove that the better a service meets user needs, the higher their satisfaction, and it backs this up with data. This promoted the development of customer satisfaction theories to a large extent. Here is the practical significance. The first one is increase efficiency of services. As you know, AI responds 24 hours and 7 days with no time or location constraints. It can rely on the knowledge base to quickly answer the common questions, such as the order inquiries. So, AI can reduce customer waiting time and improve the service fluency. And then is reduce the business operating costs. AI can reduce the need for labor, reduce the cost of night shifts and holiday services. So it generates a new working model. AI handles the common tasks, and human customer service focus on complex issues. In addition, AI does not require the continuous training. It only needs to update the knowledge base on a regular basis. It reduces the management costs. At the last is the enhanced user experience and brand competitiveness. AI can provide personalized recommendations based on users' historical data, as well as real-time learning to optimize the interaction experience. It making the service more efficient and caring. Here is the scope of the study. At first, I'd like to introduce a type of study. This is a correction study. We use quantitative research methods to measure the variables and use the correction methods to determine the relationship between the variables. And then is the data collection. Our target group is the customers who have used the AI customer service, and we use questionnaire to collect the data, mainly from the USM students. We shared the questionnaire on the social media platforms in China and Malaysia to seek more response. Finally is the data analysis method. We use the SPSS software, and the method is factor analyze, reliability analyze, descriptive analyze, and regression analyze. Here is the definition of key terms. I use a figure to show them. The first one is AI customer service. The second one is customer satisfaction. And then is the privacy issues. The last one is the task complexity. And the definition behind them. By looking the definition can help understand the article. At the last is the organization of a proposal. There are totally 3 chapters. Chapter 1 is introduction. It not only provides the research background, but also defines the research questions, objectives, significance, methods, and key concepts. Chapter 2 is the lecture review. It reviews AI-related lecture to examine its advantages and disadvantages in customer service and propose a research model with the hypothesis. Chapter 3 is the research methodology. It outlines the research methods, including the background principles, research design sampling, data collection, questionnaire design, measure tools, and data evaluation.
our conceptual framework involving multiple variables. Here is the detailed explanation of each variable. Artificial intelligence usage is the independent variable in the model, referring to extent and manner in which artificial intelligence is used in customer service by business or service providers. Customer service level is the dependent variable in the model, referring to the quality and effectiveness of customer service. This paper aims to understand how the use of artificial intelligence affects the level of customer service. The components of technology is moderating variable. This variable moderates the relationship between artificial intelligence usage and customer service level. Different components of technology may affect the effectiveness of artificial intelligence usage, thereby influencing the customer service level. There are two confounding variables involved. First, expectations and perception of customers. Second, ethical considerations and transparencies. These variables may confound the relationship between artificial intelligence usage and customer service level. For example, customer expectation and perception may affect their valuation of the service, while ethical consideration and transparency may affect customer trust and acceptance of the use of artificial intelligence. The ability of AI as mediation variable in this model. It is the mediator between artificial intelligence usage and customer service level. It refers to capability of artificial intelligence in performing specific tasks, such as understanding customer needs and providing personalized services. The ability of AI may directly affect the customer service level and may also be influenced by the use of artificial intelligence. Finally, customer satisfaction and trust as control variable will show that the above variables result in customer service level. By analyzing the relationship between these variables, we can better understand the role and impact of artificial intelligence in customer service.
I'd like to briefly present the hypothesis derived from the literature review in Chapter 2, which explores the impact of artificial intelligence on customer service. These hypotheses aim to guide our understanding of AI's role in enhancing satisfaction, trust, and engagement across industries. Hypothesis 1. AI-driven customer service enhances customer satisfaction. This hypothesis suggests that the integration of AI technologies, such as chatbots and predictive analytics, improve customer satisfaction by providing personalized, efficient, and timely responses. AI's ability to meet or exceed customer expectations, as supported by the expectation confirmation model, highlights its transformative potential in elevating user experiences. Hypothesis 2. Privacy and ethical considerations influence customer trust. AI's success in fostering customer trust depends on transparency, fairness, and data privacy. Customers are increasingly concerned about how their data is collected and used, and any violations can erode trust. Ethical AI design, including explainable systems and adherence to data protection regulations, plays a crucial role in maintaining this trust. Hypothesis 3. Industry-specific applications yield varying levels of customer engagement. AI's effectiveness in driving engagement varies by industry. In e-commerce, for instance, AI recommendation engines enhance convenience and personalization, while in healthcare, the focus shifts to accuracy and empathy. These differences reflect how the relevance and the quality of AI applications align with industry-specific customer needs.
Hello everyone, my name is Sultan and I will present about the future trends and innovations in AI that are driving customer service. First, immersive AI experiences. The fusion of augmented reality and virtual reality with AI is creating revolutionary user experiences. A great example of this is AR-enabled virtual fitting rooms, which allow online shoppers to see how clothes fit before purchasing, which significantly reduces return rates. Next, deep learning has made AI systems incredibly efficient, even with small amounts of data. This enables AI to perform complex tasks with high accuracy. An emerging trend is AI-based emotion recognition, which analyzes facial expressions, vocal tones, and text sentiment to create empathetic responses, enhancing customer interactions. Third, autonomous service robots are another exciting development. These robots are being used in hospitality and retail industries to deliver items to rooms and assist customers in navigating stores. This not only improves efficiency but also enhances the overall customer experience. Furthermore, omni-channel customer engagement is a key area where AI excels. By integrating communication channels, AI ensures a uniform level of service whether customers interact via email, chat, or social media. For instance, AI-driven CRM systems like Salesforce monitor customer interactions and tailor responses to individual needs. Finally, enterprises adopting the omni-channel approach with AI have seen significant improvements in customer retention and revenue growth. The ability of AI to process data from various sources allows organizations to create a seamless and cohesive customer experience. The incorporation of AI into customer service is revolutionizing the sector by improving accessibility, efficiency, and personalization. Although AI elevates customer expectations and provides considerable advantages, it also introduces challenges concerning ethics, transparency, and the displacement of workers. By tackling these challenges and capitalizing on new trends, companies can fully harness AI's capabilities to enhance customer experiences. This literature review underscores the diverse role of AI in customer service, highlighting its transformative effects and future possibilities. By consistently advancing AI technologies and considering ethical issues, businesses can promote trust, inclusivity, and innovation in their customer service approach.
Hi, I will introduce the first half of Chapter 3. This chapter outlines the research methodology employed in this study to investigate the key factors affecting AI customer service performance. The research background, research paradigm, and then study design, population and sibling selection, data collection procedures, and questionnaire design that are discussed first. This chapter also includes the description of the measuring instruments used and the preliminary data evaluation process. The methodology is designed to address the research questions and objectives outlined in Chapter 1, using correlation studies to explore the relationship between AI capabilities, customers' satisfaction, trust, and loyalty. For research paradigm, this study adopted the positivism research paradigm to test hypotheses and establish causal relationships between variables by using quantitative method to achieve the level of refinement and accuracy in the study of social phenomena. For research design, this study used a quantitative research method, including experimental and survey design,
to study and measure customer perceptions of AI performance in customer service without randomly assigning research subject. For population and sampling choice, the target population for this study should be customers who have experience interacting with AI-powered customer service system, including but not limited to redundant in the financial and healthcare industries. The sample size of this study should be sufficient for statistical analysis, including factor analysis, reliability analysis, and regression analysis. Therefore, a minimum of 200 people were surveyed to ensure the reliability and validity of the survey results. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, professor students. Today, I will introduce the parts of our questionnaire design. The questionnaire has 5 sections. First, collect basic information of participants to analyze the usage habits of different groups. Second, customer satisfaction, which is the most important part of the questionnaire, includes questions from different aspects. Third, understand the degree of user concern about data privacy. Fourth, task complexity. Evaluate the performance of AI customer service on various tasks to judge its advantages and disadvantages. Fifth, explore the user's trust in AI customer service and brand. The second 2 base sections are measured using a 7-point scale, with options ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree, which can more accurately understand everyone's thoughts. Actually, in order to ensure the validity of the questionnaire, we conducted a pre-test and conducted a preliminary analysis of the test data in 4 steps, which can provide a reference for the formal survey. Finally, we used a variety of statistical methods to evaluate the sample data. Okay, let me tell you. Descriptive statistics are used to analyze the basic information of participants. Correlation analysis can study the relationship between user experience satisfactions and privacy concerns. Analysis of variance compare the differences in satisfaction and trust between different groups. Regression analysis explore the key factors that influence user satisfaction and trust. Mediation and moderation analysis study how variables directly and indirectly influence user experience. You know, something interesting in our research. There are many factors that influence AI customer service satisfaction, and users are very concerned about data privacy. They hope that companies can take stricter data protection measures. AI's abilities to handle complex and emotional tasks needs to be improved, and users will be more inclined to choose human customer service. Transparent privacy policies help increase the frequency of people using AI. So companies need to further improve the capabilities of AI customer service in all aspects and strengthen data protection. In general, I hope that future AI customer service can better meet people's demand. Thank you, everyone.